You may want to scroll through the Google app at night or just want to set it to dark mode. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Google. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, let's go ahead and open up the Google app right here. And as you can see, it is currently set to the light mode theme. So to change the theme of this app to dark mode, so for iPhones, you just actually have to scroll down and open up your control center. So scroll down from this top right part of our screen and you should be able to see your control center. Now from here, press and hold on this brightness option right here and just click on dark mode right over here if that is not enabled. Now that is enabled, once we go back to the app, it should automatically change to dark mode. Now, if that does not work for you, make sure that your Google app is up to date. So to do that, let's visit the App Store right here and search for Google. I'm going to check if it is up to date. Now let's click on Google right here. As you can see, it shows an update button. So if it shows for you as well, just tap on the update option so that you will have the latest bug fixes and performance improvements within the app and hopefully fix the issue of you not being able to enable the dark mode on the Google app. So that is how you can basically enable that option. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.